Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. You remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1991 Dodge D150 short box truck. Killer custom little pickup right here, man. Tennessee truck. This is not a factory color. This is actually Plum Crazy purple. You can see it's got a custom matte strobe stripe on it, which I love. I'd call this, a shop truck. Probably a little nicer than a shop truck, though, because most of the time they're patina. This has got slick paint on it. But, man, 80,000 mile truck that's just fun. Runs and drives excellent. I mean, turn the key, turn the air on, and roll out. This thing hits the road awesome. It's got a lowering kit on it. You can see it's got 20-inch American Racing torque thrusts all the way around it. Brand new ZR rated rubber. Again, it is a Tennessee truck, so it's got a good, solid Tennessee body. Love the color combination. It's got a custom two-tone suede interior. And you just want to talk about a fun truck, man. I see a lot of this stuff in Chevys and Fords. You don't see a lot of Dodges done this way. And someone's going to get a good truck. You can see how nice this chrome is up front. Say the bumpers have been replaced. Well, the front bumper's got a roll pan on the rear. It's just cottonwood. Slick, Plum Crazy purple metallic paint on it. Sorry, a little dust on the windshield, guys. It was sitting here for a second. Power chrome mirrors, and they work. They've Rhino-lined the bed, which is super nice. It's actually usable. Again, I love this custom strobe stripe that they put on this truck. Talk about fun. I know a lot of businesses buy this stuff, put your name on the door, they become a 100% write-off. You see it's got that custom roll pan on the rear there. Sits great. I think this is a 3.5 lowering kit on it. Again, brand spanking new wheels and tires. Killer look. Yeah, talk about a fun truck to drive, and it hits the road. Outstanding. Slick paint. Just a little dust there, guys. Front disc brakes. Is that truck cool or what? Original 318 EFI engine. Pretty much bone stock underneath the hood here. Stock intake, exhaust manifolds. Factory air blows ice cold, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's all detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Automatic overdrive trans. Man, that's just a fun truck right there. Killer stance. There's just a little dust there. You guys are waiting on me. I get stuck on the phone all the time, guys. Yeah, this truck's fun, man. Again, really cool power mirrors. They work. Looks like the original door handles. Look how nice and clean those door sills are. Power windows, power locks. It's got custom interior. I've got brand new floor mats on the way. Original door stickers are all intact. Tilt wheel, cruise. There's your power, like your power windows all work. 83,575 on your odometer. It's got the factory dash and gauges. All that stuff was working. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. It does have a brake switch in it. It's got a Flowmaster exhaust on it. Factory rear end. It is a turn the key, go have some fun kind of truck. And like I say, if you're going to use it as a shop truck, the nice thing about it being Rhino lined is you just throw whatever in it. And take it to car shows, throw your cooler, your lawn chairs, clean underneath. That's a fun truck right there. Someone's going to have a blast with that thing. I will say, all the trucks like this, like I said, I'm going to refer to it as a shop truck. The guys I've sold them to have just absolutely loved them and used the heck out of them. So it's popping out. Oh, the little thing just came out. Power windows, power locks. Look how nice. I mean, that's just a clean old truck right there. Mats are on the way. They'll just have the Dodge logo on it. Again, the air blows cold, the door buzzer still works, cargo light still works. Again, just stock EFI, air, like I say, air just kicked on, it blows ice cold. You see the little light underneath the hood here works. My buddy drove this truck for the weekend, told me everything out of work. What a great truck. Again, all the gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Fit and finish is really nice on the truck. Cool truck. You just got to get it to a station. It's working. It's I know it works. There it goes. Wipers. Yep. I think those are upgraded headlights on this thing. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking on that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post our new videos. Check us out on TikTok. Look how pretty that truck is, man. Love it. Absolutely not. Truck's got a killer stance. Have a great day, guys.